Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this blue sexy smoky eye that I got inspiration from. I pretty much tried to follow a tutorial. This is the first tutorial that I've tried from this account, and her name is Miriam. Her looks are so beautiful. She has a huge following, and I'm sure you guys, a lot of you guys probably do follow her. And I've started following her and I love her look. She gives me so much inspiration. So huge shout out to Miriam. Thank you for uploading this look. You guys kind of want to follow along. Oh, it's so pretty. She has so many amazing Instagram tutorials. I'm not sure if she has a YouTube channel. She's based out of Dubai. Makeup artist. I mean, she's amazing. So Miriam, I love your work. That'd be so cool if you watch this. But I got inspiration from her to do this look with the Kylie palette. I had somebody, I think it was Amy, ask me to incorporate this blue shadow into a look. Sometimes color scares me because I'm like, oh gosh, color. I like neutrals. I'm a neutral minimalist. Like, I like that, but I love to play. Makeup is fun. Why not use this color? So I saw that tutorial my friend Dee sent me, and I know I've talked about Dee a lot, and she's awesome. Hopefully she's gonna be in a video soon. But she sent me this video. She didn't even know I was trying to do a blue look, but she sent me this video of Miriam doing this blue, you know, eyeshadow tutorial. And I was like so inspired to kind of follow her tutorial, do this look. And so I tried to follow along with her tutorial, do this look, and mine came out like a little bit differently. I'm not sure if our eye shapes are just a little bit different, but it came out a little bit different. I didn't have exactly what she was using in this look, so I kind of improvised on a little bit. But I think it still turned out really pretty. So if you guys do want to watch and see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching, of course. Don't forget to like, subscribe, sign up for alerts. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you want to see next down below. I have everything linked in this video down below also. Please don't forget to enter my giveaway. Now let's get into the tutorial. I've already primed my eyelids with MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I used this shade in the Kylie palette, Vanilla on Vanilla. Shout out to my new nails. And I've looked everywhere in my makeup collection, and I do not have one black eyeliner that I can find. I swear after I make this video, I will find one. And I just don't use eyeliner that much unless it's liquid eyeliner. So I found this little smudge liner by Covergirl that I had in one of my PR packages, and I honestly haven't tried it because I just don't use a lot of gel liner. And I swatched it and it's not very pigmented, but I'm gonna try it anyways because you really don't need a whole lot of this anyways. So I'm taking this on my Real Techniques brush. Really hope that my look comes out similar to hers because it is so beautiful. And honestly, you don't need a ton right here because we do go over with some blue, but it does give it that dimension. I really, really wish that I had a black eyeliner right now. Sometimes I wonder, why don't I just do liner and like just skip the shadow because it's kind of cute. So basically what she's doing is just drawing out a wing, doing a thick eyeliner, but kind of drawing it out, smoking it out, and then blending excess up here. I might have just messed this up. Oh, I think she used a shadow for this part. I think I'm screwed. We'll figure it out. I ain't starting over. Let me just blend whatever's there. Maybe she's just blending with a blank brush. You know what I mean, nothing's on there. There's nothing on this brush while I wiped it off. And a lot of times I use this Sephora Dry Clean Spray. I really wish right now that I had the Marc Jacobs pencil that everyone talks about because it's apparently amazing and all this stuff. But we're just gonna have to work with what we have today. Instead of going in the waterline with black, I'm going to take my MAC Costa Riche liner to kind of soften up the look a little bit. Also, I don't have a black eyeliner, like I said, so. I love that she's doing black and browns in this, and kind of, I think it just looks absolutely beautiful. Next thing I'm gonna do is take this warm transition brown color. This is, which one is this? Pregame? And we're gonna just blend on the crease right here and just kind of bring this look together. This makes me so happy right now, blending with a warm shadow. Cold shadows are just cool colors are just make my heart cold, and I just don't like it. It's hard, but I'm trying to do something different, you know? I don't want to do the same exact thing every single day. almost every single day, but maybe not every single day. Just blending that, just making those colors kind of mesh together. Let's see, I'm gonna wipe off my brush. I'm gonna do the Sephora spray stuff. Whoops, is that the right way? I'm gonna go back in with this pregame shade right here. And I do have my baking powder. If you see some white cast, I still left my eyes baking so that after I'm done with this eyeshadow look, I can kind of sweep that off. So it's not, didn't totally mess up like my foundation. Do 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 do. Until your knees. Yeah, we're gonna take a little bit of a bigger brush and we're just gonna we're gonna smoke this out a little bit. Going kind of right over top of that black on the bottom. Now going in with the fun colors, which I don't do colors a lot, so get excited. Going in with this blue color, which is Party Animal. And I'm taking this unique brush right here. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's just like a flat, fluffy shader brush, I guess you could say. And most of the time, I'm sure you'll have one lying around that you can just use. I'm going to pack this on the center. Oh yeah, right there. I gotta actually double check and see where she's placing this on her eye, but I know it's kind of in the center, so I can. Wow, I didn't put any spray, and look at that color. I mean, that is beautiful. Keeping it low, like right here. And then she kind of takes it down a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna tone down some of this blue with this Camel color right here. This is by Bobbi Brown. I haven't used this in quite a while, but this is more of that shade that I'm looking for instead of the other one. So I'm just gonna kind of add a tiny bit of this and see how I like whatever it's doing. This would kind of be a pretty shade to incorporate. Next, I am going to take this silver shade right here, and it is called Hungover. And I'm going to take that and add it to my crease a little bit and just add some of that glitter, because there's actually quite a bit of blue in this silver right here. So I feel like these colors really go nice together. You add that to my crease, give it more of that dimension. I wish that I had just plain glitter, but I don't, so I'm just gonna actually use my finger to kind of press in. I'm gonna add some of this bone color shadow, Martini Mama, to my brow bone. And I'm gonna take a little bit more of that brown shade, which is Pregame, and then I'm also gonna take Close the Tab. I love these shade names. I'm gonna take this one and this one, mix them together, and then just kind of go back over the crease a little bit, because I feel like I need to just bring a little bit more warmth to this look. Okay, so this is it for shadows. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust. I'm like, finally, it has taken me a bazillion years to get this. I just sometimes repeat steps over and over, and I go back until I get it exactly how I want it. That I have more sparkles, because I know that I'm lacking in that. So I don't have any loose sparkles, and this is about all that I have. Let me see what the other one looks like compared to this one. I'm taking out my Tom Ford little eye pigments to see. I mean, it doesn't matter. You can literally use whatever. I think I'm gonna use the gold. Which one should I use? The gold or the more pink? Definitely using the gold. So I'm gonna take the gold, the one out of the gold. This one is Copper Naked Bronze, that's what it's called now. And I'm just gonna tap lightly on my eyes, because I feel like I was missing that shimmer, you see, that she had in her tutorial, and I'm like, I want to be as close to hers as I can get. So that kind of gives me that dimension there. Like I'm only gonna achieve that with my finger. I like it. See the difference? It kind of brightens it up a little bit. It's kind of a process of like just going back and forth for me. I don't know about you guys, but anytime I do a tutorial, I have to just go back and forth because sometimes I'm like, oh, the placement's off, or I rubbed all this off. I have to go back and incorporate this again. Like the blue. It can be a tricky thing. I think I'm keeping it here. If I put any more on, I'm literally gonna look like a drag queen, which is fine, but that's just not the look I'm going for today. Okay, so this is it for shadows. I'm gonna go ahead and add some lashes. Today I'm gonna be using the Icon Slay Lashes. These are so beautiful. I've used them a bunch. This is the finished look that I came up with. I just want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Mariama. I really hope I'm pronouncing that right, for posting this tutorial. Dee sent this to me. Thank you so much, Dee, for sending me this, giving me some inspiration to create something with this Kylie palette, and it's just so beautiful. It's not something that I typically would do, and a blue is not something I gravitate towards, but I love the way that this look turned out. It's super smoky, dramatic, sexy, and I really love the way it turned out. So don't forget again to enter my giveaway. I announced the winner of the palette September 10th, I believe, at 11 a.m. Central Time. So don't forget to enter down below. I have a link to where you can enter. And if you guys want any other looks before, actually it doesn't matter, I guess, before or after the giveaway, just let me know if you guys want some more looks with this palette. I've done some looks using like more of the pinks and purple, and then I did the blue. So let me know if you want more of like a bronze, warm kind of color. I don't know why I said color. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like if you guys liked it. Subscribe, sign up for alerts. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video.